Welcome to Global Explorer. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey to explore the best countries for first-time solo travelers. Whether you're setting off on your first solo adventure or just looking for the perfect destination, we've got you covered. Traveling alone can be a life-changing experience, giving you the freedom to explore at your own pace, meet new people, and immerse yourself in different culture. But choosing the right destination is key. Whether you love vibrant cities, scenic landscape, or cultural experiences, we've got the perfect destination lineup for you. From Japan's efficient transport and Portugal's friendly atmosphere to Thailand's budget-friendly adventures, we'll guide you through the top solo travel destinations to help you plan your journey. Plus, explore New Zealand's breathtaking landscapes and Canada's welcoming culture, perfect for solo explorers. Let's dive in and explore the best countries for your first solo adventure. Our first stop is Japan, is a dream destination for first-time solo travelers. The country is incredibly safe, with one of the lowest crime rates in the world, making it a great place to explore alone. Whether you're wandering the neon streets of Tokyo, visiting ancient temples in Kyoto, or soaking in a traditional onsen in Hakone, Japan, is designed for solo travelers. With one of the best public transport systems in the world, getting around is simple. Even if you don't speak Japanese, English signs and helpful locals make traveling here stress-free. Japan is famous for its deep-rooted culture, stunning landscapes, and incredible cuisine. In Tokyo, you can wander through neon-lit streets, explore ancient temples, and visit unique districts like Akihabara and Shibuya. You'll feel secure traveling alone. The public transportation system is one of the most efficient and easy to use, with clear signage in English to help guide you. One of the best things about Japan is its solo dining culture. Many restaurants, like ramen shops and sushi bars, are designed for individuals, making it comfortable to eat alone. Don't forget to visit Nara, where friendly deer roam the parks, and Osaka, known for its street food scene. Whether you're exploring ancient traditions or modern marvels, Japan offers a unique and welcoming solo travel experience. You can also experience capsule hotels, which are a budget-friendly and unique accommodation option. And don't forget to visit Japan's convenience stores. They offer fresh, high-quality meals for solo travelers on the go. Next, we're heading to Portugal. This European gem is full of charm, history, and breathtaking coastal views. Friendly locals, beautiful coastal towns, and an affordable cost of living make Portugal a perfect destination for solo explorers. Lisbon, with its charming streets, iconic yellow trams, and incredible viewpoints, is a fantastic city to explore on foot. If you prefer a more relaxed vibe, head to Porto. This northern city is famous for its stunning riverfront, delicious port wine, and picturesque bridges. If you're looking for relaxation, the Algarve coast offers stunning beaches and charming seaside towns, perfect for unwinding and soaking in the sun. Portugal is also very affordable compared to other Western European countries. Whether you're indulging in delicious seafood, exploring historic castles, or enjoying the lively atmosphere of Porto's riverside, this country has something for every solo traveler. Don't forget to try the famous pastel de nata, a delicious custard tart that will make your taste buds dance. And let's not forget the beaches. Portugal's coastline is dotted with golden sands and dramatic cliffs. Whether you choose Lagos, Cascais, or Nazar, you'll find sun, surfing, and stunning sunsets. Now let's travel to Thailand. This country is known for its warm hospitality, stunning beaches, and bustling cities. This vibrant country is a paradise for solo travelers. If you love street food, you're in for a treat. Bangkok's street food scene is legendary, offering everything from spicy pad thai to mango sticky rice. The city is full of breathtaking temples like Wat Arun and the Grand Palace, making sightseeing an adventure in itself. For a tropical escape, the islands of Phuket and Koh Samui offer crystal-clear waters, white sand beaches, and budget-friendly stays. Whether you're relaxing in a hammock, snorkeling in turquoise waters, or exploring vibrant night markets, Thailand has something for every traveler. Thailand is incredibly budget-friendly, making it easy to stretch your travel funds while still having amazing experiences. Bangkok's bustling markets and street food stalls offer a taste of local culture, while the stunning islands of Phuket and Koh Samui provide the perfect escape for relaxation. Thailand has a well-established backpacker scene, making it easy to meet fellow travelers along the way. If you're an adventure seeker, don't miss Chiang Mai, where you can visit breathtaking temples, explore lush jungles, and even interact with elephants at ethical sanctuaries. Whether you're craving excitement in the city, tranquility on a beach, or cultural immersion in the countryside, Thailand has it all. With its affordability and well-established travel routes, Thailand is an easy and exciting choice for solo adventurers. Our next destination is New Zealand. If you love nature, this is your paradise. With breathtaking landscapes, scenic road trips, and friendly locals, New Zealand is ideal for solo travelers. If you love outdoor adventures and breathtaking landscapes, this is the place for you. Queenstown is an adventure lover's dream, offering thrilling activities like bungee jumping, skydiving, and jet boating. If you prefer something more relaxed, take a cruise through Milford Sound and marvel at the stunning waterfalls and towering cliffs. The North Island is equally incredible, with geothermal wonders, Maori cultural experiences, and scenic beaches. Visit Rotorua for its bubbling hot springs, or head to Hobbiton to explore the world of the Lord of the Rings. This country offers endless opportunities for exploration. Renting a camper van and taking a road trip is one of the best ways to see the country at your own pace. With friendly locals and a reputation for safety, New Zealand is an excellent choice for first-time solo travelers who enjoy nature and adventure. Whether you're bungee jumping in Queenstown, hiking through Fiordland National Park, or soaking in natural hot springs, you'll never run out of unforgettable experiences in this breathtaking country. Finally, we're off to Canada. From vibrant cities to stunning national parks, Canada has something for everyone. Whether you're looking for city excitement or natural beauty, Canada has it all. Cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal offer a mix of culture, entertainment, and diverse food scenes. Toronto, Canada's largest city, is a multicultural hub full of diverse food, museums, and entertainment. Walk along the waterfront, visit the iconic CN Tower, or take a ferry to the Toronto Islands for a peaceful escape. If you prefer the great outdoors, Canada's national parks like Banff and Jasper are perfect for hiking, wildlife spotting, and breathtaking scenery. Canadians are known for their welcoming nature, making it easy for solo travelers to feel at home. With stunning landscapes, multicultural cities, and friendly locals, Canada is a fantastic destination for first-time solo travelers who want a bit of everything. Thank you for joining us on this journey with Global Explorer. Solo travel is truly life-changing. It gives you the chance to discover new places, meet amazing people, and gain confidence along the way. Traveling alone might seem intimidating at first, but once you take that leap, you'll realize how rewarding it is. The world is full of beautiful places waiting to be explored, and solo travel allows you to experience them in your own unique way. Have you ever traveled alone? What was your experience like? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. See you in the next video, and enjoy safe travels.